Hello IKEY Mobile users. Today we are going to set up and install IKEY Mobile Software on a mobile device. The first thing you would do is select Setup, or you could hit Alt-D on your keyboard. And we're going to select Device Setup. And once we're in the Device Setup page, we are going to drop down until we select our device that we are using. Prior to this, the first thing you have to make sure that happens is ActiveSync needs to be running, and or Windows Mobile Sync for 7 and Vista users. So today we're going to install on a Touch Dynamic WF43, and just click Install and install the client to the device. This should take about 20 seconds or so. And our installation is successful. Just hit OK. You can hit Start on the device, and now we have an IKEY Mobile icon. We can do one or two things at this point in time. We can configure the device here, and we could select our device type, select our communication type, whether we're using serial, RF, the IKEY Mobile Server, ActiveSync, the download server, Bluetooth, or direct USB. Most selections will be the IKEY Mobile Server. You can also put in your IP address here for your network, wherever the host IKEY Mobile Software is, the server. And then you can just save right to device. After that's been saved to the device, you can right-click the IKEY Mobile device configuration, go to Device Licensing, select Next, add in your device license, email address, name, company name, state, and country, and then hit Next, and it will process adding a device license to your mobile device. You don't have to save your configuration settings there. Other things you can do on this screen is set up your printer communications. This will determine whether it's Bluetooth or Wi-Fi connection. So if it's 1 is on, 0 is off. So if I want Bluetooth, I put a 1 there, and I would go down here and change this to 0. Or if I wanted to use a network printer, then I would do 0 here and 1 down here. This is your COM port setting. This is your baud rate. This is your IP address. This is your port number for the device. If it's mobile, it's usually 6101. Desktop printer is 9100. And then you can save your settings. Print type settings. So this will tell the device whether it should hide the print button or unhide it. So 0 being unhidden, if we change this to 1, it'd be hidden. It wants to know if it's a 2-inch, 3-inch, or 4-inch printer. It wants to know the label type, which is it barcode, or is it bar, is it gap, or it's continuous. Now it wants to know what type of printer. Is it a Unitech printer or Zebra printer? It could be a Zebra. Also works with PrintTech and Citizens and a few others out there. And it has to use the CPCL code, and it has to be the mobile printers. Desktop printers obviously use ZPL and EPL. And then all you do is save your settings there. You can add passwords to the mobile device. Here I recommend numbers because most devices, either one, don't have a full keyboard on the device, so it makes it easier if it's just numbers. And save. This is not required. But that's all there is to setting up your mobile device. Thanks for watching.